Lesson 7 of Engineering Mathematics. Complex numbers. The sum of a real number and an imaginary number are called complex numbers. The formula for this is a plus bi, and I is usually the symbol for an imaginary number. To add or subtract complex numbers, we have to combine the real numbers together and the imaginary numbers together. For adding complex numbers, this is going to be our solution right here. And then for subtracting complex numbers, this will be the solution. Notice the signs change depending whether it's adding or subtracting. So for this example, we have quantity 14 plus 8i, which is an imaginary number, plus 10 plus 6i, which is another imaginary number. We're asked to evaluate this and and for it to become its formula, its base form, which is a plus bi. Okay, you first you have to do is to actually group the real numbers and the imaginary numbers together. So in this example, we group 14 and 10 because they are both real numbers. They have no imaginary sign symbol after them. So it will be 14 plus 10 plus, since the symbol here is plus, it is plus here and then plus inside the quantities as well. But if this was minus, 14 plus 10 will become 14 minus 10, and then this will become minus as well if it was minus. But in this example, it is just addition, so it will not change. Then the imaginary numbers 8i and 6i, this is we group them together and we can factor out the I before. We can factor out the I first to make it easier for us to actually solve the equation inside. So, and then after that, we just simplify. 14 plus 10 is 24. And then 8 plus 6 is 14. And then we multiply the I in for it to become 14i. Because we just factored out I, we can multiply it back in to get our answer. And our final answer for this complex number is 24 plus 14i. That is all.